𝗕𝘂𝗵𝗆𝗀𝗡𝗺, the unifier of Bhutan and father of the first 𝗕𝗂𝗺, built the Wangduechhoeling Palace in 1857. It served as the main royal residence and the center of national power for the first three hereditary monarchs of the Wangchuck dynasty. History records that the palace once hosted major annual fairs. Now they will host another grand event, the 118th National Day. The palace, now functioning as a museum, has taken on a new look. Hundreds of desups, police personnel, army officers, monks and local volunteers are on site. They are building key structures and arranging seating for more than 30,000 people. Most preparations for the celebration are nearing completion.
Everything has been going well so far. Our preparations began at 𝗕𝘂𝗺, located between 𝗕𝘂𝗺 and Bumthang. There, we built a ceremonial gate, and now we are preparing here at Wangduechhoeling Palace ground. Since main structure is very important, we worked diligently and completed the preparations in 1 month and 24 days. Almost everything is now ready.
Students and performers from across the district are conducting intensive rehearsals for the cultural programs. Many residents expressed excitement and pride as the district prepares to host one of the nation's most important events.
This
year, as Bumthang celebrates the 118th National Day, we feel incredibly fortunate. The students and the people of Bumthang are excited and happy, especially because we have the honor of performing in front of His Majesty the King and the royal family.
I am very happy and excited. This is the first time something like this is happening here in our lifetime. The district administration has also supported us generously by providing free transportation and meals.
We feel very fortunate as opportunities like these may not come again. We are extremely excited and eagerly waiting for the day. Today I came to watch the dances, and I will definitely be there on the National Day. I would like to wish His Majesty the King, the royal family and the people of Bhutan and our youth a very happy National Day.
Bumthang will continue with the final touches in the coming days as the district eagerly looks forward to the celebration. With camera person 𝗕𝘂𝗺𝗵𝗴, this is 𝗕𝗂𝗺 reporting from Bumthang.